Oui, donc je suis Frédéric Niaud et je suis l'inventeur du combi crépi-joint. Donc c'est une machine très simple qui a pour vocation de faire du crépi et des joints, donc de faire toutes les finitions en maçonnerie, tant pour les artisans que pour les particuliers.
Thanks for joining us today. The video you're about to watch was recorded during our 2-day metallic epoxy training. If you're interested in becoming a Ligari certified installer, see the description below for more information. Enjoy the video.
friends, thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a single project. See you guys next time, and remember, Ligari.com has you covered.
The preparation of the base course is the most critical stage of building with the Porotherm system. Before commencing, all coursing requirements should be considered. Coursing blocks cut from Porotherm should be used in the base course. Where concrete floors are incorporated, standard bricks can be used with traditional mortar to overcome any excessive variation in levels. These should be between the floor and the Porotherm blocks. Block layers must ensure the base course is level horizontally along and across each block, and there are no steps between each block. Once the block layers have the base course level, the highly engineered blocks combined with a good standard of workmanship will ensure the walls will be vertically plumb and of consistent high quality. It's recommended that the block layer brushes down the top of each course before applying the 0+ mortar. This removes any dirt or grit from the block work to ensure a smooth, level surface to place the next layer of blocks on. A special roller has been designed for use with Porotherm. The roller is fast and easy to use, provides an even spread of mortar along the blockwork, and reduces wastage and dermatological risk. Pour the required amount of 0+ mortar into the roller and roll it backwards along the wall. Once the base course has been prepared, laying Porotherm is a simple process. Porotherm block walls require a minimum bond of 100 mm or a 1/3 bond. This minimises the number of cuts required. Once the layer of blockwork has been brushed down and the mortar has been applied, lay the blocks next to each other using the interlocking design. The block should be positioned and struck with a mallet to ensure the block is seated correctly. The accuracy of the Porotherm blocks, combined with the correct standards of workmanship, ensures the walls are vertically level. Where string lines are used, they're for line only. The level is maintained due to the accuracy of material and good workmanship. Water suppressed disc cutters, electrical reciprocating saws with the appropriate blades, or bench cutting saws. Block layers may choose to cut by hand. Appropriate care should be taken to maintain a clean cut and a consistent cut joint width of ideally 10 millimetres to a maximum